greget untuk melakukan perubahan itu tidak bisa dilakukan menjadi sebuah kenyataan hanya dengan menunggu para pemimpin, dengan menunggu orang-orang tertentu yang kita harapkan bisa melakukan perubahan. Perubahan itu justru akan datang dari kita sendiri, dari komunitas kita, dari masyarakat biasa. Pada saat orang yang berkerumun, masyarakat biasa yang berkerumun di semua komunitas itu berbaris dan melakukan tekad bersama, melakukan langkah bersama, melakukan apa saja yang dia inginkan menjadi sebuah kenyataan, itu adalah awal dari sebuah perubahan. Tidak perlu kita harus membuat konsep yang terlalu canggih, sehingga akhirnya malah menjadi hanya impian tanpa bisa direalisasikan. Tetapi perubahan-perubahan kecil, tetapi lakukan sesering mungkin dengan melibatkan begitu banyak orang, sehingga orang akan bisa merasakan tentang betapa nikmatnya kita melakukan sebuah perubahan ke arah kehidupan yang lebih baik, yang tidak saja lebih baik untuk diri kita sendiri, tetapi lebih baik untuk orang lain, terutama orang-orang yang paling membutuhkan. Kita akan merasa bahagia karena orang lain yang tadinya menderita menjadi lebih bahagia. Kita menjadi bahagia karena perubahan itu datangnya dari kita sendiri. Itu yang saya kira harus didorong untuk menjadi bagian dari tekad bersama.
I think that this meeting or global gathering of Storm to Change is really timely and important because women today all over the world and especially in developing countries need to be empowered. They need to be educated, they need to be enlightened, they need to be equipped with skills, with confidence, and to be able to be a person that they are. And for them to be empowered, it's important because only by empowering themselves can they help to improve and empower their families and their communities.
I'm Ibu Robin Lim, and I'm here at the WADA Global Gathering in Bali. And we're stomping for change, and we're stomping for change because this is a time in our world where we need to organize, to get together and put our hearts and our minds and our hands into real action to make a better world for the coming generations. So I'm here enjoying the vision and the mission of WADA, which is to make our world a much better, much more lovely place for everyone. At Bumi Sehat, we are building world peace, one baby, one mother, one family at a time. We believe that healthcare is a human right, and so we do provide free healthcare services 24/7. We also we deliver babies, and we provide prenatal care, breastfeeding support, because a baby in Indonesia who is fed with infant formula is 300 times more likely to die in their first year of life compared to a baby fed with their mother's milk. And so we believe that education starts from conception. It doesn't start in school. It starts from the moment you're conceived, and when you're conceived in love and in consciousness, and when your mother and your father really want you and cherish you, that's a great start. And when your mother is safe and has health providers that really care for her and give her kindness as well as quality health care, then you're even better off. By the time you're born, you're so well educated. And then when you're breastfed, you can really become a peacemaker for the world. You can become a steward of our air, land, and our water, because we're all worried about our environment. But we really have to start with the babies and the children so that they can take care of our world.
So basically, why we did Pushcart is to bring education to a lot of children in the Philippines, in our town, who have lost their love for learning. And I believe education, love for learning, is a life-changing thing. If kids would realize it, they can change their world. Us, as responsible citizens, we have the responsibility to choose on how we can bring education to a lot of children. And I believe that whatever decision or choices that we make today will define the outcomes of tomorrow. And the responsibility that you choose to take now will add one more spark, one more light, one more beacon of hope, lighting an entire sea of desperation. So let's stomp for change.
Namaste. WADA Global Gathering has taught everybody a lesson that you should not talk, you should go into action. We have done a lot of talking, now we should go on to action. That is what WADA is all about. It is very important, like, it's not only women, you should not talk about gender discrimination, you should talk about both genders. Both the men and women have to be very empowered, because it is necessary now to fight all the evils which come across us, and especially the social issues, which is very important now and which has been disregarded. Now we have to take it up and fight and make this world a better place to live for our coming future generation.
We need Storm for Change, bukan besok tapi saat ini juga, karena saya pernah sendiri merasakan bagaimana nerakanya menjadi korban human trafficking. Dan kalau itu bisa terjadi pada saya, itu juga bisa terjadi kepada siapa saja, mungkin anak-anak kita atau saudara atau teman kita. Ya, kita perlu perubahan itu sekarang, karena kalau tidak sekarang kapan lagi? Karena semakin banyak korban yang kita ketahui setiap hari, mungkin saat ini juga menderita seperti apa yang pernah saya alami. So, we need Storm for Change right now.